Okay, so today I'm gonna show you how to add clickable button in Canva. Alright, let's dive in. Now first of all, just open Canva on your browser or on your desktop app. Okay, go on your design. Now after, go on the left side, click on elements, and here go on the search bar and type button. Okay, now press enter. Now click on see all, or you can just go to graphics right over here. So as you can see, these are all pro version, meaning they are available for pro feature only. So I'm gonna use this free one right over here. Okay, now I'm going to adjust it. Now if you want to type something into it, just go on the left side, click on text, and here click on add a text box. Now type something here. For example, I'm gonna type like. So please like this video. Okay, great. Now in order to make this button clickable, just click on the button, okay, and click on these three dots right over here. Now here you will see this option link. Click on it and put your link over here. Okay, so I'm gonna go and put my channel link over here. Now I'm gonna put my link into this box and click on done. Now in order to see if it's work or not, just go on top right corner, click on share, click on download, and here click on this drop down arrow and select PDF. Now click on download. Alright, the file is downloaded. Click on it, and as you can see, the button is working perfectly fine. So when I will click on this button, I will be redirected to the link. So that's it for the video. Keep in mind, this will not work on JPG or PNG file. It has to be a PDF file. That's it for the video. Thanks for watching.